In this video, I'm going to show you how to make. You want to go to templates up top, and then from here you want to go to create template over here top left, and then it's going to start the creation process. There we go. You have to give it a name. I'm just going to name this one tutorial. There we go. And I'm also going to give this into the description. There we go. Then you have to add your documents. So I'm just going to add a random document from my computer over here. Click on open. Okay. Then you can add your recipients here. So this is going to be kind of the defaults. I'm just going to basically select myself as the recipient over here, and the role is going to be needs to sign like that. You could add multiple if you want to, of course, completely up to you. Then you have to add the message here as well if you wanna. I'm going to leave it blank, and then you also have to select the category. So I'm just gonna click on a random one, and then you want to go to the next tab, which is the add fields top right. And from here, as you can see, it's going to start loading, and there we go. You can then go ahead and add your fields on here. So I'm just going to pop a few things on here, very random. I'm not going to waste your time. Of course, you can go and waste as much time as you have to on here, because of course you want to make a template that's actually worth something. So for me, this is actually very random. Just don't want to waste your time here. So make sure you actually do it the way you wanna. And when you do that, when you're happy with whatever you've created, click on save and close at the top right, and that's going to save your template. And as you can see, I now have a new template, which is called tutorial. I can go and use it whenever I want. And yeah, that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.